Good evening everyone, this is Miley Aviation here. Today we're going to do another brand new model review. This is a classic Swiss Air McDonnell Douglas MD-82. So, I recently bought this for Christmas, and in 1981 it was originally in service, and it carries about 171 passengers on this aircraft all over Europe. Okay, let's start unbox it. And and slowly and gently pull the model outside the box. And these are the die-cast models, and it means they're made out of metal. It's not snap fit, it's not plastic, it's not hollow from the inside. And these are the die-cast models. And there's the model, guys. This is so beautiful graphics, nicely printed, and one of the interesting aircrafts. And you can see the reddish line here. This says Super 82 on the engines, and the registration number is PH-MBSZ. And it says Swiss Air with the black paint in the front with the ball nose. And we have the elevators. We have the engines and the little APU, Swiss Air crosses, and the silver fuselage with the registration on the wing, and the undercarriages in the front and at the front, and the elevators on the top. And yeah, and you can see the wings drawn, and we got the cross. Yeah. Anyway, that's now history, and this aircraft was flown all over Europe from Zurich to London Heathrow and other European flights. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we shall see you in my next review. Good night.